If you have not jumped on the AI train, now is the perfect opportunity to do so with the new Momentum Tech launch. Hey there, this is Dave Gardner, and this is something I just learned about from my sponsor within the last few days. So I took a look. It looks really cool, and it has a ton of AI features. It is something that I've been, kind of holding off of for a while, but obviously I realize I need to be able to use so that I can continue to make stuff happen a lot faster, a lot easier, and make it a little more engaging. And so what we're looking at here is one of two members areas that are included. One of them is like the business side, and the other is the actual content creation side. And so when you actually get your membership, you'll actually have access to a whole series of different tools, potentially up to 40 different tools, maybe even more as time goes on. For just $40 a month, you get access to all of these. Now, most of them, what I found out, give you full and complete access to the tool. However, some of them I realize require credit. So there may be additional purchases if you want to make something that would have a lot more storage and require a lot more power to generate that, and also storage on the AWS side. And so I actually sent a message to support about that. I didn't know if it was an issue and the lower price point was supposed to be seeing the credits, or we were not, so on and so forth. I didn't know if there was an error. So their response, and it does kind of make sense. It says credits are charged on some items to offset the AWS server processing fees to render videos and high resource utilization items. So some of it was the music and some of it was the videos, but all the chat GPT options, all the videos, I just did, something on the book end, trying to create like the beginning of a book, like all of those I was able to do no problem, and that's included. So some of the videos, there's actually different scenarios of ways you can do videos, even as low as 50 credits. 50 credits is about 22 cents. So I'll show you that in a minute. Those credits are not commissionable. Okay, it says there is no commission on them because they don't want to ramp up the amount of the cost of the company, just to pay out more commission. So they're trying to, find a happy medium there. But there is no commissions on the actual credits you would need to make certain content. But over time, there's going to be, as they say, 100 other products already developed that will be added that you will, or people will be able to upgrade to. And, I don't know if this is extra bonus stuff, extra software. I'm not really sure. The live launch isn't really until next week. So we're actually building teams with this right now. It is global. We are right in the very beginning. There's only been a couple thousand people that have joined the company so far. And so if you want to be one of the first, you actually get a 7-day lock-in period, and you can lock in your position, and you actually know where you are in the matrix already. I believe they're maybe doing a power line with this one, but already you have a position. And so I'll come back to this in a minute, but I want to go to the other members area, and this is the other part. So again, we see Momentum Tech, and we can see I've personally sponsored 9 already. My team has a total of 34 in it. And so basically, this is just your members area stuff. When you go to profile, you'll be able to actually see your username and actually create and modify your username. We have a Facebook group growing already that's going to help and be supportive. There's obviously training videos and live trainings daily by the company itself on all different aspects of AI. And sorry about that, it just logged me out. Hold on, or timed me out. I hadn't been on this one for a minute. Give me 5 seconds to get back in. And just to show you my matrix tree, for example, we can already see the people that have been added. And so I just had that 9th one there added just a minute ago, and they already showed up. And so this matrix is basically a forced matrix. It is filling left to right based on the sponsor who brings you in. So basically they're just finding any position available, and it's going to fill layer after layer after layer just from left to right as you go through. So I already have, for example, that, there I am at the top. There's my first level, second level, third level, fourth level filled. Say that again. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so my 5th level is currently filling right now. And again, I filled the first 4, and then those spots will continue to be filled. Now, if this person came in and sponsored one, then obviously that one right there would be occupied, and then it would be skipped over to the next position. So There's two different membership levels. If you actually click on subscribe now, there is an annual one, there is a monthly one, and the best one. The best one is what I have. The annual one, basically you get a website and you get, let's say, basically does not include the AI tools because obviously it's a much lower price per month. You need to sell a certain amount to be considered active in the matrix where you're going to earn some bonus commissions. With the $9.95 or $9.99, sorry, you get the breakfast lab, you get recorded trainings, you get some marketing funnels, another personalized website. But the most recommended one, the $39.99 a month, you're going to get access to all those marketing tools. But like I said, there are some additional credits that might need to be required to be purchased should you want to make some, more intense videos and music, which requires a lot more data and storage and higher capabilities. So you get the training, you get the marketing toolbox. Okay, there's the author den, the course creator den, image creators, AI website builder. You get 5 terabytes of storage, the video generators, video editors, and then, like 20 other tools. So that's the one that, again, that I have. Right now, again, like I said, because it's just being launched, they're in the process of making sure that everything is up to date in the wallet. I'm not going to go into that because obviously personal information is tied in there. There is a mailing system where I believe you can mail your team, but I believe it stays internal. Okay, it doesn't necessarily mail them, a message, but it mails them, something stating that they do have a new message and it's in the inbox. So therefore, they keep stuff internally, and maybe that reduces spam in that case. You can click on a report, and I can see and click on who has joined me, and I can see some details about them if I want to contact them. But you also get an email when you do get a new subscriber or you've sponsored someone. So that's something else to look forward to as well. So this part obviously is the business end, but if we go back just to look at a couple things in the community resources, you can go into the community here. So people have started to post some stuff, just kind of saying hello. The Super Saturdays are the trainings. The back office is where I just was. We got some replays of the breakfast lab, and so I can go through, we can follow the progress. I started to watch one of the videos, and in the videos, they actually go through how to use some of the pieces, and I'm hoping over time, they actually put individual videos on each of the tools so that it's a little bit easier, so you don't have to keep going back and forth. Again, Super Saturday replays versus registering for the Super Saturday training on one of the AI apps, and again, I believe as time goes on, they'll be adding more of those trainings. So the Chat GPT is pretty cool. They have different Chat GPTs that are based on different people and different people's styles or perspectives. So, for example, if you want Napoleon Hill to answer your question, or if you want Zig Ziglar, and we got a couple other people in there as well. So, cool little functions right there. Close that one. What do we got here? Tech tool, so you can do a couple different things here with a local hub to cover this directory. Code Mojo. I haven't played around with those yet. I played around more so with the Chat GPT for a minute. I played around with some of the image creators, and so if you go down, so for example, this one I did right here, the scroll stopping images. I'm going to go over to Facebook here for a second, and we'll log into that. I want to show you an image that I used the other day. I had to play around with it. And I believe it's like a lot of, other Chat GPT programs where if you are actually not ChatGPT, but other image creators, you kind of have to train it. And, maybe the language isn't right. Maybe you want to go in and edit, and you have that ability to go in and edit and have it to regenerate the image. So if we go back to my post from the other day, I joined on Thursday night before Friday, so I had a little Halloween theme here. The treats only here, no tricks. New AI launch just made this, 1 in 40 tools. And so very vibrant pictures, had some text in it. I did a couple to get the one that I wanted, and, I was able to choose which one I want because it actually gives you a few. So lock in now or get locked up, just to make you, have like a little remorse or a little FOMO, whatever. But cool little thing about that was from the image creator, and they have a variety of different image or logo creators you can play around with. So again, you just got to go in there and test it out and see if it is worth while for your business to do this. With the videos, as I mentioned, some of it is ready to go, and you can do it without extra credits. Some of you may need extra credits. So for example, the script writer, this is one that, and it actually saved it for me earlier. Coming up with a script for me, I just talked about another business opportunity that I work in that many of you have heard of called LiveGood, and basically it wrote a script for me. It didn't save the stuff I had over here, but it still saved this stuff. So it actually gives a little background information. So I didn't come up with any of this, but it basically came up. So for example, with LiveGood, you become an affiliate, independent representative for a company built on health, wealth, and integrity. You share products you believe in and earn on every sale. So, that's something that I could read, as my script on a video if I was doing, maybe a faceless video, or if I wanted to copy it and put it into a slideshow. So this actually brought up some stuff for me. One of the other ones that I went in earlier, played around with, I think it was the clip creator. I'm not sure if anything there. Yeah, so okay, so this one is where I saw the credits. So just to give you an idea of credits right now, so $7 for 1,000 credits. Some of the videos to make, I believe the Magic AI videos were only 50 credits. So you could make, 20 different videos for $7. So it's not super expensive, but it is an additional cost that might not be mentioned right off the bat. And hopefully as they go through and we start to talk with the leaders, talk to the owners, that they make sure everything is clear cut in there. But I just want to be transparent and let you know that those credits are required for some of the materials. Again, the higher quality stuff that has more storage, has more resources that are used to create that. And so if you want to save even more, get yourself a big bundle, $89. And again, those credits are not commissionable, but I believe they said there's going to be other products in here. And again, we'll be learning about those other products that come in as, people that might be a free customer, and don't have the membership. Maybe they only want to use, the editing software or the book creating software, and they just come in and they want to buy just that book creating software. Well, that would be likely, again, my assumption, don't quote me on it, but that would be my assumption that would be something you would earn commissions on. And so if we go down to write your book, that's the one I was just talking about. Let's see if I can find the one. I think I just did one with a ghostwriter. I don't know. Yeah, so here's the one that I just played around with. And so I don't know if any of you are familiar with the author Tom Robbins. He wrote the book, he wrote Still Life with Woodpecker, and I've lost some of the titles off the top of my head, but he's kind of a crazy author. I enjoy him, and his stuff is out there. Like, he likes to give life to inanimate objects. Like the sock might be a main character, or a spoon in some of the things. And so my question to the prompt, if we go back up here, basically they gave me the question, just said, what style would you like to channel first? What other genre? If there's a project you're working on. So all I said, I kept it very, very simple. I said, I would like a business and success related parable written in the style of Tom Robbins. And it says, obviously I can't write exactly his style, but I can craft something that's very similar. And so calls the spice merchant of Zero Street, and he's talking about different spices and success. And so I got this whole little mini story here that I could use, and then I could start to go and build on that. And so this is the response after this. I'm glad to craft that for you. How did the parable land? Too whimsical, just right. Plan a next step. So I can go through and add more questions or more prompts, and it will give me some more details. And again, I'm just brand new to this, just testing this out, and this might be something that would benefit you and your business to try to be able to create a lot more content with a lot more speed, so that therefore you can get more stuff out there and start to be omnipresent and have all different types of content. Maybe it's in a blog with a post, maybe you got a little video, maybe you got some imagery that all kind of ties in, and you're able to do it very cheap. And so going back to that credit concept, if, even if you were to spend $89, you'd have 20,000 credits to do, whatever, a couple hundred little clips and videos to be able to pay someone on, even on Fiverr or some other channel where they're going to make a video for you. You could be spending 20, 30, 50, $100 for just a single video. So, keep that in perspective when you're considering costs here. You have the ability to create a course. There's Course AI Agent that will walk you through creating courses, designing social posts. Okay, so things that you would take, for example, on Facebook and Instagram. You can set up a website and buy domains, do a little email connection, landing pages, website builders. Again, a chatbot tool, knowledge base, custom music generator, and then there's things like CRM. You can go back and look at the file storage for all of this. Business phone line. Again, some of these I haven't played on. I've just joined the other day. I'm just letting you know about what's going on. And like I said, to get into the matrix, if we go back over here to home, And if we get in the matrix, there is again a 7-day window. You can register for free. So take a look at the link below if you haven't already. Register for free. Take a look at what's going on here. Maybe, reach out to me. We'll pull you into the Facebook group once you give me your details if you're friends with me on Facebook. And you can see what's going on. Maybe you'll see some of the things that people have created and figure out if it is going to be beneficial to you in your business. And that will hold. If you don't upgrade within 7 days, I believe those positions will be removed. So I have 30 people, for example, here, but that doesn't mean I'm going to have 34 people after a week from now. And there's actually two different ways to look at it. I have my total team, which is people that I have put in, people that have spilled over into me, and then anyone that they maybe have sponsored or other people's have sponsored. But then what we also have, we have the personally enrolled consultants and the enroller tree. So for example, if we click on this one, we'll see, actually, we don't want that one. I want this one instead. The enroller tree is more horizontal. It's basically a front line. So these are all people on my front line, and then that will grow a different way as well. So different ways to earn commissions in here. I'm not going to go into the comp plan, but I will put a link to the comp plan below. There's other videos out there, and so for example, here's the website that has the compensation plan on it, and it goes into detail on how you can rank advance and different ways that you can earn commissions over time. So I'll drop that link below as well if you want to learn a little bit more. And like I said, AI is a huge force in the industry right now, making things so much easier for people and faster. Not to say that I never used it before, but I pretty much stayed away from it as much as possible. But that's like me saying, oh, I don't really use Google either, but I grab images from Google and I grab, certain content at times and, give credit back where credit is due. And so if you are looking for a new opportunity that is global, where you can earn commissions, but also get an awesome tool that will help to benefit your business. And this is, again, in any business. Okay, this is limited basically to nothing. Anyone could use these tools to create content for their niche or their business. I was playing around with stuff for my lacrosse book a little bit ago. So if we go back, I don't know, I think I deleted most of them, but back into the file storage, it'll go through and you'll actually see what some of the things you made were. And I think my stuff, some of it's been deleted, some of it's been held there. I'm not sure, just looking at this thumbnail creator, I'm not sure if okay, so here's some of the thumbnails I made. And like I said before, with AI, in some cases you have to train it because some of the things maybe came up with a little misspell there, or maybe, I didn't like how, the eyes looked, and the one guy, like right here, he's looking like he's a little kind of freaked out. So new AI launch explodes business. We got, this one is, the spelling is incorrect, but again, new AI launch explodes business, just random guy, kind of smiling at you. This one's pointing at you, but, we have some nice little graphics in the background, a bunch of people, going towards, or, going towards the light in the future of where AI is going. And I did it in two different themes here. So all the stuff that you create often gets stored here. And so this one, I believe there was nothing in it, and this one, I believe, as well. So you do have access to all your old stuff that will hold it for you, but then you can go through, and if you're not going to use it, so for example, this one has a mistake in it, and notice the guy's got 3 hands. So sometimes AI does its own little thing, and I could go into this one and say, okay, I want to download it, I want to rename it, I want to make a copy, I want to share it, delete it, or move it somewhere else. Well, that one, I don't want that one, so I'm just going to delete that one. We'll get rid of them. Now we could play around with these if we wanted to. Again, I could download it from my own, use it, share it somewhere else. And again, like I said, there's an endless variety of things that you can test out, you can try out, and you could try to create. So all you got to do is click that link below, test it out for yourself, and see how Momentum Tech can help improve your business. Again, this has been Dave Gardner. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or concerns, feel free to leave them below. And make sure you, obviously, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button if you want to find out when my future videos come out that could be related to this. I'll be continuing to learn myself and sharing, but also with other projects I have going on. I mentioned LiveGood earlier. Okay, that's one of the main things I'm working on top of being a full-time science teacher, getting ready for retirement, and getting myself in that position that I can just work from home. And this is going to be a tool that will help continue to do that. All right. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I appreciate your time. Take care.